Hey, hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video. So today I'm going to tell you about a man whose name was Thomas, who was being always available to others. But at the end what he gets? He gets nothing. So let's begin our video, but before we start our video, like and subscribe, let's start. So once upon a time in a small village there lived a man named Thomas. Thomas was generous. He opened his heart for everyone. Everybody asked him favors, and he would do without asking them any question, without asking them any favor, or without asking them any return. Thomas worked hard to others. Others also loved Thomas, or so he does. Think that everyone loves him. So what happened that one day Mr. Harley came. Mr. Harley was Thomas' neighbor. Mr. Harley said to Thomas that, "Hey Thomas, I want to get my roof fixed. Can you help me with this?" Thomas exclaimed, "Okay, I will help." The next day he came. Mr. Harley came. Harley said, "Hey Thomas, I needed my fence to fix. Can you help me?" The Thomas was expecting to rest that day, but after seeing Mr. Harley's face, he could not deny. He went, he worked over there. So later on, what happened that one day again he came and asked him favors, and he helped. One day when he was passing through the street, his friend named Charles met him. So Charles always lent money from others and also from Thomas. He has asked 3 times to Thomas about the money, and Thomas paid him every time. He asked again, "Thomas, I need just 50 coins. I promise I will pay you the next month." But Thomas knew that he took by most of the money and never paid it back. Thomas said, "What about the previous money I lent you?" The child said, "Oh, I thought we were just friends. I think that friends do not keep records of these things." Thomas felt guilty. He went back to his home. When it was finally the night time, he just stared at his ceiling and he thought to himself that, "I don't know why I am too generous, I am too kind, but people are not respecting me. People are taking an advantage of me. Now what should I do?" Thomas went to a old merchant. The old merchant was wandering from one village to another, and finally he came to Thomas' village. The old merchant was at the guest house where Thomas visited him. He said, "Hey, old merchant, can I ask you a favor?" The old merchant said, "Oh, definitely you can ask me a favor. But by seeing your eyes, I think that you are tired of giving, but you are tired of giving, but you are never returned." Thomas was surprised. He said, "How do you know?" Old merchant said, "I see your eyes. The eyes tells everything." Thomas said, "Yes, it's finally the thing you got up." So Thomas asked a help. The Thomas said that how to resolve this problem, because people always ask me help, I give them help, but they never pay me back. The man said, "Come meet next week. I have to go somewhere." The next day there was a village meeting. So in village meeting, Thomas was also present. Everybody was thinking about making a new well. Everybody said, "Thomas will make it. He is always eager to help. He will always help us. He will not deny." Thomas was exclaimed. Thomas was exhausted because he has done a lot of work in this week. Thomas, not denying, he started building the well. So what happened that the well was half complete, and soon the next week also came. The old man met Thomas, and he said to Thomas that, "See, Thomas, if you've been present to everywhere, if you help others, so what happened that people will try to take control of your kindness. People will take your kindness to a negative way. People will try to use this. But if you show your kindness with some strategy, so and if you say no, so people will understand you mean. So you know what? Stop using your kindness in unfiltered way. So you have to take some strategies and use your kindness. Thomas got up. He said, "Thank you, merchant, for your advice. I really need these kinds of advice." So Thomas went back the next day, when it was the turn of building the well again. Thomas stand in the village square and said, "I will help, but not alone. I need somebody." Everybody was shocked. Thomas said again that I value my time and you should value also. I'm not sitting here free for everybody. I have my own life. Everybody was shocked, and some were jealous, some were angry. The next day, all people came and joined Thomas for helping. What happened that after the well was completed, Mr. Harley came. He asked one more favor that I need to repair my door. Could you help me? Thomas said no. Mr. Harley was angry. He said, "You have been such a nice man. You have changed now." Thomas said, "Yes, I have been changed, but you never pay me back. You never said that I will help you in return. You just kept asking, and even you didn't say me thank you every each time." Then again, Thomas the next day went to village square, but he met his friend Charles. Charles said, I want 50 coins. Could you lend me?" Thomas said, "No, I can't, cause 3 times you already took me, and you never paid me a single penny." Charles was very surprised because Thomas hasn't done anything to him like this. So Robert has said, "You have changed." Thomas said, "Yes, I have changed. I have changed for those people who do not respect my kindness." So Thomas became popular among all. Thomas was well-known person in the village now. After he declined many of the requests, he became respected. Thomas saw the miraculous change. One day, a young farmer came to him. He wanted to build him a shed for his animals. So he said, "Thomas, hey Thomas, could you help me? I have to make a shed, but I promise to pay you. And also, if you whenever need your help, I'm here to help." Thomas felt very happy. So he said with a smile, "Okay, let's build it together." So after that, Thomas' life went straight happy. So what do we learn from the story? If you really want to show kindness in a strategic way. If people use your kindness in a negative way, if people use you and your kindness, then it's a self-destruction. But if you use your kindness in a strategic way, you don't help those people who do not respect your kindness, then it doesn't matter to you. So it was all about today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.